thank you very much and welcome to another session of our instructional videos for your summer hydroponics project. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to take you through preparing your nutrient solution for your plants. Now, your plants need nutrients to grow, and so it's really important that you take care of them very well. What I have here, and each one of you is going to get one of these as part of your kits, is a growth medium. It has nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and some magnesium and calcium. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the right amount of nutrient solution for your seedlings. So, to begin with, we have to measure the right amount of the growth medium. Now, many of you might not have the calibrated instrument at home to do it. And so I'm going to use normal household, like cups, like a spoon, like a bowl, so that whatever I have at home, you'll be able to prepare a nutrient solution. And so it's really important that, for the first week of your plants, taking care of your plants, you need 15 milliliters of the growth medium. Now, 15 milliliters is the same as 1 tablespoon, adult tablespoon. And so to begin, pour out some part of our growth medium onto a tablespoon. Careful there. Put it into your bowl. Have like a designated bowl for your nutrient solution. And so we'll add some amount of water. Now, to begin with, let's add 3 cups of water to begin with. And so one thing you have to understand is that science itself is an experimental process. So you should be open to making mistakes. And so we'll begin with 3 cups of water, and then we'll take it from there. And so we have your first cup, the second cup of water, you have your third one. Now I will stir up the solution a bit to allow, everything to dissolve properly. Great. And so, in addition to having the growth medium, you guys are going to get one of these. And this is an EC meter, electrical conductivity, and it measures the number of ions in the water solution. And so, you take it out, you take away the cover from there. There's an on button here. So you put it on. Now, when you put it on, you should look on the screen to see whether it says EC. When it says EC, it means that you're on the right track. Right? When it says ppm, which is parts per million, it means that you can use the shift button here to switch it back to EC. So I have mine at EC, as I'm going to go ahead and dip it into my nutrient solution. And here I'm measuring the electrical conductivity. And the electrical conductivity, which is the optimum conductivity of the optimum dissolution of nutrients in your solution, is supposed to be 1,000. 1,000 microsiemens per centimeters, which is right on, when you look on the screen, on where the EC is at the top. And you have 0 and have the microsiemens per centimeters. So I'll just go ahead and dip it into my solution. So you dip it inside. And so what you have here for the start is 3,000. And so it means that we are about, we have a few cups to go to get into 1,000. And so we'll, add another 3 cups, So there are 6 cups in here, right? Stir it a little bit, stir it up. And then go ahead and dip your, dip your stuff in there. Great. Now I have 1,500. So we've got 500 more to take off. And so here you can add, just 1 cup. And so now we have 7 cups in here. And then you put in your, So we are there. 1,003. So add one more cup, half cup. Yeah, and so we are on 1,000. And so, 7.5 cups, 8.5 is actually going to depend on the type of cup that you are using at home. If you're using a cup that is bigger than this, you're definitely going to maybe have around 3 cups. I'm using this very sort of small drinking cups, but always make sure what is really important is your 1 tablespoon, and with your EC meter measuring it to be 1,000 microsiemens per centimeters. Now, just look up on top of your EC meter and see where it says EC. It means that on the right track, and the number is 1,000. And so this is how you begin to take care of your seedlings. Now, as your plants begin to grow, and based on the environment or the optimum temperature at which they are growing, you might need to sort of sometimes add nutrients. And in that case, it's always important to measure first with your EC meter to see whether you should add more nutrients, or whether you should add more water, depending on the situation. And then that is how you take care of your plants. So thank you very much for joining us in this session, and good luck on your project.